All right, so we're gonna finish the sequence we've been working on. So we started in an armbar, and we either catch the leg as it's coming over or after it's here. We find the inside of the knee, push here, change our angle, start driving up a little bit, elbow to the mat as I put her leg in half guard, come to the top, then I drop my left elbow here and force the reverse half guard, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, pushing her leg down. The more I bring my elbow up and my hips into that arm, the better for me, the worse for her. So once I get where I feel comfortable here, I can bring this shin in right here, and I'm just gonna work to pass the guard. Taking my time, whatever I have to do if I'm stuck in there, just kind of crush on them, make them miserable if you can't quite get out. So from here, the next part we're just gonna do a pretty simple back take. So I'm gonna grab her top leg and I'm gonna pull it over, and I'm gonna get my bottom leg through here. Then I'm gonna come over here and I'm just gonna make a simple figure four like this here. I'm gonna show my good side. I don't want to embarrass myself. So I'm here. I'm gonna pull her top leg over and I'm gonna bring this so I pass like this, bring this leg here, and then I'm just gonna figure four over that leg and I'm gonna hook with my other leg right here. So from here, it's pretty simple. I'm just gonna come up to my knee here and I'm gonna put this arm down on the mat here. So it's kind of like that wedge bolo here. And then my legs are just gonna control her and I'm just gonna push her legs down like this here. And I have my first twister hook in right here. And then I can just take her back and then let that figure four go. And I have the back right here. So here, I just passed in that reverse half guard spot here. And I'm gonna grab her top leg and pull it over here. And bring my bottom leg through here, and then flexing my foot here, bringing my heel around here, figure for my legs, and then find that instep right here, like instep to instep right here. Then I'm just gonna come up onto my knee, bring this arm through here so I can do kind of like basically a front roll here. Let my hips hit the mat here, and I just use my legs to kind of like guide her downwards like this here. And then from here, I'm just gonna look for my over under. I can let the figure four go, but keep that hook in, and then bring my leg around. Any questions?
Does it matter which way you do the lockdown? Can you do it the other way too?
You have to do it that way. It's technically not a lockdown, it's the inverse of it. But you have to do it that way for this one.
Can you just do it like the figure four, or do you have to like find that angle?
I'm sure you can make it work, but it's going to be sloppier and easier to escape. It's not hard to get that instep. Any other questions? All right, ready?